See how I've already done started jumping ahead? And what I'm looking for is to see how many we need to do either each block or a block. You know what I mean? But I do not... Oh, here we go. This right here might be it. What we needed. Alright. Now, this right here only gives us the yardage, but not the number of what we need. So here's a pillow, and number of melons, 4. Okay, number of F out of different fabrics, 2 for a pillow, 6 for a 2 by 2. So let's see, which one do we want? We got this one here is a B. So let's see what it would say for B, if I can find it. Number F out of 4 different, number of B of each fabric. Alright, make a 2 by 2, 24. Alright, I guess we're going to wing it, because I don't see what I'm looking for. Okay. So here is what I have to work with on these right here. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them out and see what I have here. You know, which this will be cool as all get out, I think. So far, our blue is the smallest stack. And there's that one. And put them off in the, how high they are. You know, I like my browns. They're pretty big. Okay, and now I know my red polka dots are the biggest. Okay. And these right here are just different colors. These right here are different colors too. So we have plenty of them that are different colors. Here is some blue. Got different colors there too. Okay, so when we have these that are different colors. So, I mean, these are here just stacked up, but they all these right here are different colors. So, I know if we look just at this pattern here, this middle one right here, we want at least 4 colors for it, if not 2, which would be this one. So, I'm going to take, let's take these 2 stacks, and we're going to make them those colors on this one right here. Okay, now this one right here is going to be a different one too. So we're going to pretty well much want to do it too. So let's get these 2 here. No, I think these 2 right here. And what we'll do is we'll find out which one is the lowest one on the leveling part. Now this one right here, it pretty well doesn't matter. We can use all these. So I'm just going to put these back in here. Those right there. And then we have all these to work with. And let's see, here's some gray. I think I put them gray ones back in there too. I don't think we're going to need them. Not with all these out here. But we want to, I wish they had a way to figure out how many I need for how many. I think I'm going to go over this chart and see. But we have these already taken care of. I'm not going to use those. I'm just going to put them down in there. I'm not going to use that one. Put it down in there. But now we do need this one and this one. So, and you know what? I missed my little sticky points. So I've got to put them things on too. Okay, But I think we have enough here to make this right here kind of shape. And okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over here because I'm going to put that back up. And I'm going to put all these over here out of the way. And this right here is going to be the one for this. Alright, now this right here is going to be the one. And it will be the first one right here on both sides. So if I put one this color and then one this color, okay, then I'd say it'd probably work out pretty good. I don't know if we're going to have enough of these or not, but if we start in the middle of it and then work our way out, if we have to change color, it's not going to hurt. And these right here are going to be this one. So, there we are. I'm going to go look at the chart and check it out and see what we can do about that. I have started and I've looked over this chart here, and if I make a 68.5 by 79 quilt, I will need, okay, E would be this one right here. I need 42 of those. Okay. Now the melons, I would need 97. Okay. And then the connecting corners, I guess that would be it. D. Yes, connecting corners. I would need 108. Okay. Okay. And then F. Which one is F? I don't see what F is. 4 different fabrics. But F, there's H, D. So I need, okay, I'm going to look at B, which is this one right here. And it goes right here on the corner right there. Alright, B is 149 each. I have, they're all set out into tens. So this is 50, and this is 50, and this is 50. Alright, so I have 160 here. And I need 194. I only got 6 left in my stack. So I went to my next pile, and I'm going to count out these, and I'm going to cut them down to this size. Because, see, they'll fit right on there. So, I'm going to get these right here, this right here number, all of them that I need, and then we'll be back to see what else we need to do. After cutting through all my scraps that I have and cutting them up and going over to my strips and cutting them up, I have, this is 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, whatever. Because this right here has got more than 4 in it. And I need 194 of these. So, that's what I have. And hopefully it's not a, I hope I don't have to have any more. But I'm going to go by that right there. So I have, it says each on it. And if that's so, then I'm going to have, I don't know what I'm going to do. Or just, I don't know. I don't know how many blocks of this right here will make. Just 94. So, hopefully this is enough of these. So it's 100, it says 194 each. Let me go back and take a look at what I'm looking at here. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? There. And it says 3/4 yard. So, number of B of each fabric. 194. And that is 3/4 yards. So this right here should take care of, because this right here is more, looks like more than 3 1/4 yard. So now then, I'm gonna stack all these up, and even though they're not pretty, we're gonna stack all them up. We're gonna call it quits on these. I think I'm doing it right. I'm not one to go buy a pattern, but there we are with those. And I'm going to put this right on top of it because we're done with it. Now then, we have, which one? Alright, this one right here, which would be D. Alright, D doesn't give you I'm done with that one. What would be D? So this right here would be the on the bias. Put these arrows in the corner on each straight of grain. So this right here is D. The cutting corners, 108. 108, that doesn't make no sense. So 108, you would think that I would need more than that on this. Seamless arch. But they don't put the template, what this template, they don't put what D is. Let's see, we got E, F, B, there's no D. There's no D. So that has to be that one. So 194. So don't get too loud, Emmy. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. So I still want one more color to go with this because I want 4. So I'm going to find some more to make 10. That right there looks more white. I don't want that one. To make this right here another 100. It's 194. I'm going to find one more to make another roll of this, so I have 4 colors of this. And so I don't think there's 50 there. I already got that color. Let's look, see if we can't find something that might have a 50 in it. Well, I know not to look at these. No. What do we have? Pink, gray. Ah, we'll use the gray, why not? Alright. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alrighty, so I'm going to get this 10 out. This right here. And, well, line these up down through here and then we'll be back. I have these right here done. I have these 2 stacked up here with the template and these right here with the template. Now these right here are some kind of a sleeve-like thing and all. They're pretty neat. Probably take some of these right here and make some pillowcases and or pillows and get rid of some of that stuff over here that's stuffy. But I think these right here work just fine. I have enough here. It said I needed 42, I think it was. Alrighty, I lost. There it is. Yeah, I needed 42 of each. So I have like 45, something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and cut these out like this and like this. So I can have, which I'm probably going to have to do it this way, so I would have more. So I need double of these. I need 97 melons. So I need more of these. I need 42 of these. So I'm going to get my little rotary cutter out here, because they are best to use when you're doing on curves. And I'm going to start cutting. And each time I do one of these, I will be cutting 2. Alright, here is my first 2 that I have got. Now, let's check out the melons. And let's see what we can get out of the melons. And I think I can get 2. No, I'll be able to get 4 out of each one. And I want to try to save as much of this as I can, because I might be able to put it onto, do some more of these right here, small strip, 2x2s, and make something else out of it later. So, here we go with this. Cut it down. That right there part's going to be waste. And I'm going to come over here to do this one. I want to be safe. And I want to be able to hold on to my block so I don't mess up my block. So now I have 4 of these. Be great. Hey, look at here. I can get 2 more out of this one and line it up. So I might be able to save some more material to go on another one. So I'm going to get as much as I possibly can out of these. And all. Oh no. We don't want this now. That'd be trash. Okay, so there's me 2 more to go on that pile. So, there we go. Oh, almost. Look at that. I might. Ooh, look. Right here's 2 more. 2 more. So I'm going to just cut out as many as I possibly can and save all that I can of this so I can do something else with it. So I'm going to keep count of those. I don't know if that right there would be a block or not. Nope, I don't see no block coming out of that. Paste. By the way. Alrighty, so I'm going to get busy and I'm going to cut out all these. Alrighty, I have 42 of these cut out. And I have 200 of these, but I only need 97. Okay? So now, my next thing that I need to work on is cutting all of these out. So I'm going to cut these out, and I'm going to cut these out, and then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to start cutting these. But I'm just going to cut a whole bunch of them and play along with it, because I can't remember. What is that one? That one's A. We don't even have an A listed here. So I don't know how many I need for A. Because A, F, F, B, there is no A listed here. So I do not know how many I'm going to need. And all. But if I go by 68 by right here, and I go with this, I don't know, that's B, backing. Connecting corners, that's not connecting corners. Background melons, E, I don't know. Probably, no, I need more than 194 of those. So, anyway, I'm going to cut these. And then I'm going to just cut them as I need them. But I do know I have 200 of these and close to 200 of these. So, that will cover them. So, I'm going to get busy and cut all them down. I'm sorry, but the math does not add up. Alright, if you got 42 of these, okay, and you're going to have these right here, okay, and you're going to take these right here, and they are going to be right here at the end of your point here, okay? Now, let me, you got 42 of these, and it's times 4. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Times 4 is 168. And they say you won't need 194. So, alright, I'm going to leave it like that and all, but the math doesn't come up. I don't get it. So, alright, I'm going to get busy and I'm going to cut these out, but these are here, go right here on the tip. So, let's get busy on those. And I don't know how much time is on the video. So, depending upon what the time is if I get another video started or not.